Skin wrinkles reflect your age, and many of us wouldn't want that to be the biggest giveaway of our age. As the years go by, your skin will lose its elasticity and moisture. Over time, you will experience dry and sagging skin, which causes your skin to form excessive wrinkles. But why does your skin sag and creases? Here is the science. This happens because the bottom skin layer loses its density. The skin layer consists of lipids and fibroblasts, carrying collagen and elastin, which are vital proteins required to keep your skin tight and bouncy. We're constantly being exposed to UV rays, which unfortunately speeds up the breakdown process of this inner skin layer. And as we age, our body's metabolism slows down, causing cell regeneration rates to decrease. Alright, so what can you do to achieve tighter, bouncier skin and hopefully be wrinkle-free for as long as possible? Our solution is white paint soap. One of the key ingredients of white paint soap is pearl powder, an ancient beauty ingredient prized and used by the Chinese since 2300 BC. Pearl is loaded with minerals such as calcium and amino acids. These nutrients form the foundational component for cell regeneration. White paint soap is formulated with omega-rich organic plant oils that are not only nutritious for your skin, it adds fat-based hydration to smooth out wrinkles day by day. White paint soap is part of the human microbiome range, containing the probiotic lactobacillus. This probiotic helps minimize oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which makes it effective for anti-aging. Having probiotic for your skin suppresses exposure to UV radiation and allergens, keeping your skin moist and plump. The soap wash is the very first step in your skincare regime. All of our products are made from premium quality, EcoCert approved organic ingredients. There are no alcohols, no preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. With Black Paint, you will allow your skin to be beautiful naturally. At Black Paint, we have made a continuous effort to improve our products. Because of this dedication, we have achieved the 10th consecutive year of the Grand Gold Medal of the Monde Selection Awards in the year 2019. This award is a globally renowned award run by the International Institute of Quality Selections in Belgium, equivalent to the difficulty of maintaining a 3-star Michelin accolade for 10 consecutive years.